found a nice little finch's nest with an egg in it, and we're not sure if it's an egg from a jing jock or what, but either way, somebody's homeless now. And this thing, actually deals with proper trees quite nicely. As you can see. Well, there's one whole load of twisted jungle creeper rubbish there we got to deal with, but it ain't gonna get picked up on its own. And I know the people next door whose tree it is know that the stupid foreigner is going to be the one who clears it up. So, on with the clearing. Yeah, we've had a bit of a racing incident. I keep trying to saw through a piece of wire that's up there. It's not a good idea, but then the wire does look like a jungle creeper. So, there's no safety on these things, so the battery's off to avoid anything nasty. And the weight of that choking creeper in there is what's brought all this down, so the creeper is going to go. Oh, meanwhile, we did find a couple of orphans. We did find a couple there, look. Unfortunately, we don't know what to do about them, so I'll try putting them back up in the tree later on to see if anybody claims them. Who knows? Well, that's all that's left of a once mighty tree. Oh, I see you found the bird's nest. Eh? Well, you found where the birds were, haven't you, eh? And their eggs are still in there. I don't know what we can do about that. So, there you go. Grandma next door seems to be happy. Another big bit of trees disappeared. Must be breakfast time.